Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer funds from a TD Ameritrade to Fidelity. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into Fidelity. Come and click on Accounts and Trade. Click on Transfers. And here you can choose this option right here. Right, just scroll down and transfer an account to Fidelity. Click on Start a Transfer. Okay. And then you select your current firm. They give you different options. You can search it up as well. So you search up TD Ameritrade right here. You choose that, and then you'll need to select the information that matches with your statement. So you choose your account number format, right? Then hit next, and then you need to enter your account number. You'll see your firm right here. Choose your account type, whatever it is. Let's say individual. Hit next, and then they'll ask where you decide where to transfer your assets. So are you moving into an existing account where you need to open a new one? If you need to open a new one, choose this one, or just choose existing account, and then you select your compatible accounts. If you're logged in, you just choose that. Hit next, and then you can choose to move specific positions, or you're doing a full transfer. If it's full transfer, use yes, and then there you go. You'll need to attach documents, right? Recent statements, upload that, and then go ahead and hit next. You need to confirm your transfer request. Hit next. Just agree and sign. So tap here. Just scroll down. Tap to sign. Read the terms. Sign. Accept your signature. And just submit. Okay. And then you get the completion of transfer. The success message. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.